Hello, we're going to videotape this Century sliding gap bed engine lathe. It's made in USA and it's in superb condition. It's had very little use. The model number is B40, serial number 461. The size is 20-inch over the ways, 37 over the gap, 48 with the bed closed, center distance, and 67 inches with it open. Let's take an up-close look at it and glance at the tooling over there. It comes with so much tooling. These ways look great. Cross slide. And here we have the 27-inch faceplate with 4 jaws. Collet chuck with collets, 8-inch 3-jaw follower rest, and this little stand there for when the bed's open. Okay, the mid-range, 202 RPM. Sounds so good.
I'll show you some feeds.
All right, top speed. I'll give you a quick glance of our shop right now. This is one of our 3 buildings, chock full of low-hour domestic machines. And if you want to come see it, we're right by the Salt Lake International Airport. Phone number 801-531-9500.